Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, we're given the graph of a piecewise function and we want to express the function algebraically. And so we need to find the equation of each piece. And each piece is a line, a piece of a line. So to find the equation of a line, you need 2 points. So notice that we have, for the leftmost line segment, we have the point 0, 3, and we have the point 3, 0. Let's use those points to find the slope and the equation of the line. So for the slope, we have y2 minus y1, 3 minus 0, over x2 minus x1, 0 minus 3. And we end up with 3 over negative 3, which is negative 1. And for the y-intercept, notice that you can tell it's just the point 0, 3. So b is 3. So we have the line y equals negative 1x plus 3. So in our piecewise definition, that's going to be one of the pieces. So the y equals is the f of x equals, and so we have negative x, or the opposite of x, plus 3. Now what's the domain from that piece? Well, it's going from x equals 0 to x equals 3. So we can fill that in as well. 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 3. Now let's figure out the equation of the other line. So we have the point 3, 0, and we also have the point 5, 4. Notice that we have a rise of 5 and a run of 1. We have a rise of 5 and a run of 2, So the slope of that segment is 5/2. And what we can do is use point slope form and use one of our points and use our slope and find the equation of the line. So let's use the point 3, 0. So we have y minus 0 equals 5/2 times x minus 3. So that would be y equals 5/2 x minus 15/2. Okay, I heard some of you telling me to back up and change my rise to a 4. So let's do that. The rise is 4, sorry about that. So the slope is actually 2. So we have 2x minus 6 there. That's better. Okay, so we put that piece into our piecewise function. The y equals part is already there. That's the f of x equals part. So we just write the 2x minus 6. And then what's the domain for that piece? Well, that piece went from x equals 3 to x equals 5. So we can say 3 is less than x is less than or equal to 5. Notice that I already put the equal to part on the 3 on the previous piece, so I don't use it again on the new piece. We only have equals to on one piece.